guys, I'm just going to show you the installation of the 6-row board. Now there's going to be one I can't put in. This block here is a little bit too far to the driver's side, so I'm going to have to relocate that or add another one, but I can show you the other 3. So you put your overlay in place. You want to make sure that you line it up here with this corner. That way you don't have a gap. When you got it in place to where it needs to be, you want to hold it, and you want to mark where you're going to drill your hole. Right now, obviously, we are only going to do 3 holes, but of course the last hole will be identical. So with that, I'm going to use the drill bit and slowly drill your 4 holes where you made your marks. And you can see here in the wood the indentation. The drill bits that I will sell with these kits come with a pilot bit on it, so you can line it right up. And you want to go slow, you don't want to go fast. Alright. So now you're going to get your first E-Z Lok, and if you're going to use your drill, you're going to put it on. There's a little tab that it locks in place with, and then you slowly want to screw it into place. And you pull your drill straight out. Your E-Z Lok is installed. Now the bottom holes aren't as usable, so I end up using a screwdriver, flathead. Make sure you keep your screwdriver straight so that you can get the E-Z Loks installed straight. It'll be helpful at making sure that your screws go in straight. This will be our third. These same connectors can be used to install some of the electronics in your upper console or lower console. Just have to do a little adaptation, install a little bit of wood. Alright, that one went at a little little bit of an angle, but that's not a major problem because we have enough threads on our screw. So now you're going to get your board and you're going to insert your screws and put on your spacers. It's much easier to do this before you put the board onto the overlay, because trying to get these to fit can be a pain. You might use, a little piece of tape or something to secure the spacer. Alright, so keep your board facing forward, otherwise your screws and your spacers will fall out. And that is counterproductive. We're trying to make this installation as clean and as simple as possible. So now that you've got your screw and your spacer in place, you will get the screw lined up with the E-Z Lok. Best laid plans. See how easily those spacers come off when you don't have them attached. Okay, it's in there. It's not tight, but I want a little bit of room. See, my spacer fell out. Now, if I had a little tweezers, this wouldn't be so bad, or even a little needle nose pliers would work just fine. See if we can scooch that in there enough to be able to see through it so we can put the screw in. And we can. And now I gotta just get that through the overlay so it lines up with your E-Z Lok connector. You can't see it. That creates, move that baggie out of the way. Alright, so you tighten up your space in between your board. Tighten your screws. Your installation is done. So, just as easy. If you have to remove your board for any reason, just undo your screws, take off your board and your overlay.